Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to transfer your crypto from Crypto.com to KuCoin. So on Crypto.com, we are here. We have to go in the middle button, and then from the middle button, go to Crypto Wallet. On your Crypto Wallet, go to your transfer here, and then go to withdraw, because we're going to obviously withdrawing and sending the money from Crypto.com to KuCoin. Now go to external wallet. And here, go to the plus sign in the upper hand corner. And then as you can see, click wallet address. And here we have to just select a cryptocurrency that we want to basically exchange. Let's say it's USDT, Tether. Here we can just select the network, right? And we need to paste an address, a deposit address from KuCoin. So on KuCoin, if you're on your mobile app, go to your assets and then go to main and then click on deposit, and you can deposit. And make sure when you're depositing, for example, this is USDT, right? When we are depositing USDT, we need to know which network we're depositing to, right? So on KuCoin, you will see the network that you're depositing to. So let's say it's ERC20. Then we paste ERC20 address right here, right? Once we paste that, we continue. Obviously, wallet name, you can put the wallet name just so you know for the future purposes. Then you click continue, and you go through the whole entire process of transferring your from Crypto.com to KuCoin. And yeah, basically you just go through the whole process. It's a really simple process, and then you will basically be able to transfer any crypto from Crypto.com to KuCoin. So if you have any questions regarding this or anything, comment down below. And yeah, we'll see you in the next upcoming video. Thank you guys for watching.